That's more than a violence kicking a board every 17 years.
Are you okay, ma'am?
No, I'm not.
You're not? What's wrong?
I don't want to talk. I want to do it. I need money for rolling papers.
Do you smoke marijuana?
No, I don't. I'm against marijuana. I think it's kills your brain cells, and I think it puts people to death. And people who smoke marijuana kill people that are on death row. And
you know
I believe that smoking marijuana is bad for you, because every time you buy marijuana from a dispensary or grow it, you are putting people to death who are waiting to be freed from the law, from prison, or who have persecution issues. And I have an issue right now with being put on the spot because the state has cheated, lied, and steal from me. Took my Social Security, took my daughter. They took everything from me. They cheated, they lied, they stealed, because they want to see me suffer. They took all my teeth out of my mouth to do experiments on people in Africa so that people that are less than can feel like they're more than. And that's why they have cheated me under. I feel very persecuted by the state. They stopped my Social Security, they stopped my housing, they stopped me being able to see my daughter because they wanted to see their state look like it's a better place than it is. You see, and that's what the problem is, that this place isn't all that, but they make it seem like it's all that. This gentleman who I stayed with last night woke up throwing me out of his house before I could even look at my belongings, which is against the law. And he also threw me out and had his roommate make coffee that made food at the same time I made coffee, because he wanted to make it seem like he was going to be getting something better, because he's rotten to people who have it hard, and especially having his, because he also abducts children, and that's also sad that he has to have me wake up at the same time as his roommate. And there's also problems with the people I live with out in Capitol Hill. They purposely took all, the guy who lived on the street, he took my creamer, he took all my belongings because he's jealous, because he's old, he's ugly, he's broke, and no one likes him. And he's also very unliked, and he's very, very mean to people that have it hard. He also took all my belongings to make sure I had a hard day. And I'm not into this anymore.